a televised conference dedicated to launching new industrialization projects with the participation of the president took place in Astana. 30 facilities began operation, 8 of them officially launched live online. Hello, you are watching the program Made in Kazakhstan. The total cost of all facilities exceeds 175 billion tenge. The new enterprises will create about 4,000 jobs. The goal of the second 5-year phase is to complete the formation of a basic industrial sector. 6 priority sectors have been identified: oil refining and metallurgy, food and chemical industries, industrial equipment, and construction materials manufacturing. The foundation is a cluster-based approach. In the new program, they aimed to take into account as many lessons as possible and use all experience gained during the first 5-year phase. We must understand the extremely difficult crisis conditions we are in. Despite this, we are maintaining the economy's foundation and not reducing it. This became possible because we prepared ourselves. We developed the industrial program and supported small and medium businesses. The head of state emphasized that such sectors as the food industry, construction materials production, and mechanical engineering have high potential for developing domestic business, creating competitive products, and entering foreign markets. Across the country, 158 new production facilities were launched within the industrialization map, creating around 14,000 new jobs. Despite the crisis, these enterprises positively influence the economy and, in particular, the development of Kazakhstan's manufacturing sector. Over the past 6 years, around 1,000 new enterprises have opened. More than 400 of them are located in rural areas and small towns. Production of finished goods grows every year. Today, the Made in Kazakhstan brand unites 150 enterprises producing about 2,000 products. And this label, look, you know it. Many Kazakhstanis now recognize it. It is already represented in 25,000 stores nationwide. And this movement, that's exactly what I would call it, continues to grow and develop. The head of state called industrialization the backbone of the entire economic policy aimed at achieving the main goal of Strategy 2050, entering the world's top 30 most developed countries. In recent years, production has started for nearly 500 new products that Kazakhstan had never manufactured before. Did you know that almost everything we use daily is made in Kazakhstan? Food products, clothing, footwear, and even household detergents, all environmentally friendly and high quality. Some are presented at the exhibition of domestic manufacturers. Is it really all us? We can build houses with domestic materials, we can manufacture cars, we can feed ourselves, produce chemicals, and what is especially pleasing, the light industry can already fully clothe our people. From children's clothing to premium branded items. Our products are definitely not inferior to foreign ones, neither in quality nor in price. "30% of goods on store shelves are produced in Kazakhstan. Our products are already recognizable and loved." As is known, former Minister of Innovation and Development Asset Isakashev wears suits under the label Made in Kazakhstan. The official representative of the ministry, Kaiser Jumabayuli, admitted that he drives a domestic horse. The purpose of this exhibition is to show that Kazakhstan has its own production of a variety of goods and services. I was interested first in understanding the potential of domestic manufacturing, and second, not just talking about buying Kazakhstani products, but demonstrating it through action. For example, I drive a Kazakhstani-made car assembled in Kostanay. Famous businessman Ivan Sauer eats only domestic dairy products of his own production for breakfast and does not change this habit. You may not believe me, This is cottage cheese with cream produced by Rodina. And when asked what milk he consumes, Vice Minister Albert Rao refused to single out any domestic producer. No, we can't advertise, or else it will look like I'm promoting my friend Sour. Speaking of goods, their quantity keeps growing and is pleasing to the eye. The exhibition features not only light industry goods, but also pharmaceuticals. Among food products, there are canned goods, pasta, sweets, and oils. Some products are true know-how, melting in your mouth and surprising with their brilliant simplicity. This is our know-how, our idea, presenting traditional Kazakh sweet delicacies in a new form. Let me show you. Here it is. This is our invention, a purely Kazakh Oriental sweet. It is a very natural product made only from Kazakhstani raw materials. Besides this, we create chocolate pictures, any type of candies, chocolate gift sets, everything that brings people joy. And Sal Bakitjanovna succeeded in creating a production of sewing and knitwear. Tell us, how did you manage that? Good afternoon. Yes, today our company is successfully operating on the Kazakhstani market. This became possible thanks to government support under the Business Roadmap DAMU program. A major automated complex was launched in the Astana Special Economic Zone, creating 500 new jobs, mostly for women. New technologies and new production allow us to be competitive on both price and quality. Sal Sharmanova is the founder and owner of a company consisting of several enterprises. She is proud of her products and wears clothing made in Kazakhstan. In my everyday and business life, I prefer to wear Kazakhstani-made products, business suits, homeware. Naturally, our home textiles are very comfortable. The textiles have a high cotton content, comfortable home clothing, and, as we say, towels and personal hygiene items. First, they are affordable. Second, we trust the quality and offer them to all Kazakhstanis. The government continues working on creating a national brand that people can be proud of. Kazakhstan is already known on foreign markets for its products. Despite the crisis, the industrialization program is delivering results. Such events are held twice a year. Essentially, this is a progress report within the industrialization program. It is held following 6-month results, at the beginning of July and at the end of December. That is, we report on the half year and on the full year. With a focus on raising citizens' incomes, the government must adjust the current program, including the industrial one. I instruct the government, the National Bank, and everyone involved to review all the issues I have mentioned by September 1st, study and update them, calculate the necessary expenditures, distribute funds rationally, and direct them to everything I outlined. Know our own. Watch the program Made in Kazakhstan on the 24KZ channel to learn about the very best domestic products. All the best.